everyone, my name is Anurag Chaurasia. I am a student of FEA. Today I am going to talk about my workplace challenges. I found 5 challenges in my workplace, and right now we all are staying at home because of coronavirus. So our home is our workplace. Let's have a look my first challenge with my solution. My first workplace challenge is focus. There are two types of focus: scattered focus and directed focus. Scattered focus is broadly distributed attention. This is my typically multitask, trying to do more things at the same time, cleaning the home while talking on the phone, while cooking dinner at the same time. This is most people do, and for all this we all are losing our focus confidence. On the other side, we have directed focus. We achieve it by directing our attention to a single work while ignoring everything else. My second workplace challenge is sitting style. Whenever I went to study, I covered only 2 or 3 topics. After taking suggestion of my senior, I changed my habit. Now I am able to cover 2 or 3 lessons every day because of sitting style. If I talk about sitting style, so we need to sit 90-degree angle like this. My third workplace challenge is mindset. There are 2 types of mindset: fixed mindset and growth mindset. If I talk about fixed mindset, people believe their basic abilities, their intelligence and their talent are just fixed traits. In a growth mindset, people understand that their abilities and talent can be developed by their efforts and learning. My fourth workplace challenge is laziness. Yes, laziness is the most bad habit which I have. I am not wake up early morning because I love to sleep on my bed. That is too much bad. And for this I found one solution, that is setting alarm. Yes, I can set alarm, then I can wake up easily. Then after that I can make plan of the day, which is helped me a lot for achieving my goals. My fifth workplace challenge is forgetting. Yes, I have one more bad habit, that is forgetting. Whenever I read my novel, after some time I forget everything what I have read in novel. So I found some solution to remember. So I need to maintain physically as well as mentally. And whenever I will read my novel, so I will note down my important points. It will help me a lot. At the end of the video, I want to ask you something about your challenges. Which kind of challenges you all are facing in your workplace? And thank you for watching my video.